national side, with Somalia requiring decisive action on a range of security and political matters, I emphasized the importance of unity and inclusive dialogue among the country's political and community leaders. I echoed the statement earlier this month from Somalia's international partners. In that statement, we welcomed the initiative announced by President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud in his Eid al-Fitr message, calling for a platform that brings together the full range of Somali voices to advance jointly the country's state-building priorities and respond effectively to the threat of al-Shabaab. In view of recent reductions in donor funding, it is necessary for Somali leaders, for donors, and for the United Nations to prioritize now the most vulnerable people to receive aid. The United Nations remains firmly committed to helping populations in need, in keeping with our humanitarian mandate. We noted continued work to strengthen cooperation with local defense forces in an effort to keep the fight going and advancing against al-Shabaab. And to that end, I pay tribute to those troops and local defense forces here in Galmudug who continue the fight against al-Shabaab.